What's up, family? How you guys doing today? I'm here with Milky Tech, and today we're going to take a look at the TP-Link Archer T3U Plus AC1300 USB wireless adapter. Let's get this done. One of my computers is still running an old end-draft wireless adapter, and it's time for an upgrade. It's getting very slow transfer speed and very slow internet speeds, and sometimes the speeds get so slow that it becomes unusable. So it's time for an upgrade. So let's go over the packaging. And before we continue, if you guys enjoy this content, smash that like and hit subscribe. That will help the channel greatly. And link for this product will be in the description below. Alright, so on the front of the product we have a picture of the product itself, the brand TP-Link. It is an AC1300 dual band Wi-Fi adapter. So that means is you have a 2.4 gigahertz band and a 5 gigahertz band. On the 5 gigahertz band you get 867 megabits per second, and on the 2.4 gigahertz band you get 400 megabits per second. You also get MIMO support, which is basically bandwidth optimization, allowing you to get the best bandwidth and the best speeds. It also has a high gain boosted wireless range. And that's achieved by the long antenna. And it's USB 3.0, so you get 5 gigabits per second transfer speeds. A lot faster than USB 2.0. Not much over here, just a barcode, more branding, system compatibility with Windows and Mac OS. And we got the package content, which we'll go over in the unboxing. And on the back here, it just goes over how the larger antenna gives you more range and how to optimize the antenna. Now let's open this guy up. Wireless drivers always get the most up-to-date drivers from the manufacturer's website. A little quick user guide and the wireless adapter itself. This is a huge antenna and the struggle is real. So here's our USB interface, USB 3 interface. Here's where the adapter resides. Got a nice little TP-Link branding over here, and the antenna itself. And it could go 360 degrees. This way you can try to adjust it and get the best signal you can. Alright, so let's install this guy. And now for the complex part of installing this guy. Right here. You know, you gotta make sure you get the orientation correctly. You know, sometimes you gotta flip a few times and then it goes in. And that's how you install it. So let's install the drivers. Alright, so before we install the new wireless adapter, let's run a little benchmark just to see how fast it is currently running. And then this way we can compare it to afterwards. And let's run our speed test. So we got a download speed of 47 megabytes per second and an upload speed of 21.8 megabytes per second with a 10 millisecond ping. Let's see how much better this gets. Our next step will be to install our drivers directly from the TP-Link website. Extracting, and now we're installing. Let's configure our network adapters and disable the old adapter. Connect to our network and let's run another speed test. And oh my god, this is definitely an improvement. We went to a download speed of 537 megabytes per second and an upload speed of 393 megabytes per second with a 9 millisecond ping. Wow, that is an improvement in speed. Our speed increased more than 10 times. This is definitely worth the upgrade. And guys, don't forget, our giveaway is still going on for that $100. A recap on how to enter that giveaway. I need you guys to do a few things. I need you guys to like this video, drop a comment, hit subscribe, and ring that bell. Then go to my Instagram, follow me, and comment on my latest post tagging 4 friends. And that will enter you into our giveaway. And may the odds be in your favor. If you guys enjoyed this video, smash that like, hit subscribe, and ring that bell so you get notified when I release my next video. If you guys have a question, a comment, or want to say hello, drop it in the comments below, and I will see you guys next time. Peace.